Classic shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. So today's video is going to be a wig install of this gorgeous kinky straight wig. The wig is from RPGhair. You guys already know their wigs are so good, and I got the kinky straight and it comes with pre-made baby hairs, so I didn't have to cut this myself. This was already installed on the wig. All I had to do was just style it. It is gorgeous. So if you want to see how I got this look, make sure you keep watching. Mwah. You guys know I love a kinky straight unit. It is my bag. You can't go wrong with kinky straight, and this hair is flowy, it's bouncy, it's silky. The wig comes with combs as well as an adjustable strap, and the lace on the wig is just gorgeous. As I said, the wig also comes with installed baby hairs. So straight out the box, the baby hairs are kinky, but I did go ahead to press them out just to make them a lot more easier to work with. So this is the hairline of the wig. Just look at this. Like, wow, the wig literally looks like my own hair, like if my hair was relaxed or my blown out natural hair. I did straighten the wig off camera, so hence it being really flowy and really silky. But can we just take in how gorgeous the kinks are in this wig? It's so flowy and it just mimics Afro-Caribbean hair so well. So to start off, as usual, I'm going to flip the lace back and I'm going to take off any makeup residue from my forehead, just so I can have a seamless melt and the makeup doesn't get in the way of what I have to do. So once that's done, I'm going to tuck my baby hairs under the wig and then start to cut the lace in sections and then begin to install the wig. So I'm starting off cutting off the excess lace on my ear tabs, and then I'm going to cut the wig in sections. I'm starting off with a middle section, and we're going to work in sections just to make it a lot easier. Of course, I'm using my bedhead spray. This is one of my favorite adhesive sprays, as it stays, but it doesn't require me having to sleep with my wig on, because that's not something that I like doing. I'm going to spray on the adhesive on my forehead, and I'm going to use my Dyson hairdryer to make this stay in place. The hairline on this wig is just so immaculate. It literally looks like it could be growing from my own scalp. Like, I just love that about this wig. I love the length, I love the density as well. It's so full for kinky straight. Even though it's straightened, it's still super full, so you can only imagine how full it looks when it's straight out the box and not straightened. When you wash and blow dry this hair, it gets really big, hence me straightening it. So yeah, I love how full the wig is. I love how natural it looks. I put a band on just so we can get that extra melt on the lace. It's time to cut off the excess lace. I'm using a razor comb to do this, just to give like a jagged edge, and also just to make it look a lot more natural and seamless. Now I'm taking my black opal contour stick to blend that lace into my skin. It literally adds just a more natural look to the hairstyle. Yeah, the lace is literally disappearing in front of my eyes. Concealing the lace is definitely a must, because you don't want it to look really obvious that you have a lace wig on. I mean, you can definitely see the lace, but not to the point where it's white. So I like to do this step just to make sure that everything just looks seamless. And here is what the lace looks like afterwards. Literally, like I said, this wig looks like it's growing out of my scalp. It's so natural. Yeah, I love the hairline on this wig. And normally you guys know that I'm not really the biggest fan of baby hairs, because of many reasons. I just feel like sometimes they look unnatural. I feel like sometimes they look a little bit too much, but I wanted to experiment with baby hairs today. I don't mind baby hairs, don't get me wrong. I think there's just a time and a place, and if they're done well, I don't mind them, as long as they're not adult hairs on your forehead. Then yeah, but today I'm going to experiment with baby hairs, just because of the fact that this wig does come pre-installed with baby hairs, so you can't necessarily see it on the wig. But I'm just going to pull out the hairs, the shorter hairs in the front. They already come cut like this, so you don't have to mess around with cutting them, so it definitely makes your life a lot easier when it comes to styling your baby hairs. So I'm using pencil straightener just to curl them backwards, and then I'm going to take my mousse and press them down with my mousse and wrap it down as well, to give it a more like natural look. And when I took off the band, wow, like this really does look like it could be my own hair, like no exaggeration, looks crazy. So I'm styling the baby hairs with my edge brush, and as I said, I use mousse to do this, just to give it a nice hold. I don't want it too crunchy, I don't want it too shiny, just something really soft to keep the hair in place and also to make it look really natural. So now I'm taking my band just to press that down. I kept this on for about 15 to 20 minutes, and when I took it off, wow, like my hairline just looks so realistic, and just wow, I just couldn't believe it. It literally looks like this could be my hair. And with the press of the hair itself, everything just looks super seamless. Like I'm so happy with how it came out. So I was kind of just playing around with the hair, and I felt like it does look nice pushed away from my face. So I started to experiment with a half up, half down kind of hairstyle, and you guys know I love that. Like that's my bag. I love that so much. So I did go ahead and comb that out and put half the hair into a ponytail and left the other half down, just to give it a nice style. And I love the way it turned out. It just looks really playful, really youthful. Yeah, I think it's just such a simple hairstyle, but it adds more frame to your face. So I thought, let me just do this half up, half down, because it just looks cute, and it's something that I would do with my own natural hair anyway, so I thought, why not experiment with that. So guys, this is the style. Baby hairs are on fleek. Oh my god, people still say on fleek. I put some makeup on the front of the lace as well, just in case. And this is the final look. Just stunning, so natural and so effortless. The hair is full, it's flowing, it's giving what it's supposed to give, and yeah, I absolutely love it. I will leave all the links in the description box as usual. So guys, I'm all done, and this is the final look. I absolutely love this wig. It is gorgeous. It looks so natural. It literally looks like my own hair coming out of my scalp. It has the texture of relaxed hair or blown out natural hair. It's a shame I'm not going anywhere, but thank you so much to RPGhair for sending me this wig. I'll have all the details of the wig down in the description box, so make sure you click on that show more button at the bottom of this video. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon in another one. Bye guys.